Welcome to another episode of Skewered. Today's guest is one of the founding members of, like, the best band in the world. No, it's not Peter Andre, it's Anthony Field, the Blue Wiggle. I'm freaking out. Hi, Anthony.
Hello, Celeste.
This is really exhausting.
You just use your wrist instead of going up and down. That's why you're tired.
That's much better. This is why you got the Order of Australia medal. Welcome, Sir Anthony.
I'm not Sir Anthony, but thank you for that anyway. I'm just the Blue Wiggle.
I know. So good. What are we going to do today? Are we going to do some mashed potato and hummus? Mash your banana with your Kahlua.
Yeah. Well, as you know, children can be very fussy and hard to please at dinner.
Ain't that the truth?
But here's the good news. Nothing goes in unless it's a guaranteed corralled pleaser.
Fantastic.
That means you don't have to cook separate meals for grown-ups or children.
Oh, thank God for that.
The family boxes at HelloFresh are perfect for everyone. See you, Celeste.
The family boxes at HelloFresh are perfect for everyone. Let's go together. The family boxes at HelloFresh. Slow it down. It's perfect for everyone.
Wait,
Na, 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 na.
Not in a
Eat
skinny.
your heart out, Emma. Yeah. I have a really good one. Chicken schnitzels and sweet potato wedges with creamy rainbow slaw. All right, so what's the first step?
Wedges.
Hot potato.
Hang on a second there, Celeste. It's a sweet potato.
That's what I meant. Hot sweet potato.
And guess what?
Oh my gosh.
This is a first.
What?
I am using a real knife, not a plastic knife. In Wiggleland, only plastic knives.
You constantly blow my mind. Oh my God.
Got to be very careful.
Thank you so much for being here. This is a really big deal. So what are we doing now?
The potato wedges, sweet potato wedges,
Get it,
they go
get it.
on the tray.
Yep.
And then drizzle of olive oil.
God, that is
Look
a
at
good drizzle.
Yeah, pepper.
Chunka.
You are a natural wiggle.
I think so.
And salt.
Oh my God.
Now, Celeste.
Yes?
Kindly put that in the oven.
I'm not going to because
Please.
ribbons.
Safety first. And let me tell you another first.
Tell me.
We don't have real ovens in Wiggleland either. We have
Really?
talking ovens that have no power.
Are you telling me that nothing in Wiggleland is real?
Everything's real in Wiggleland. It's just they're different to the real world.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you all drive around in the big red car and you all
Always.
live together and the Captain Featherswords has that weird voice in real life.
Yes, he does.
Okay, oh God, everyone can unclench. It's all okay. Hey, Anthony, my friend, what is next?
Step 2. Slice the lamb and I'm going to chop the chives. Finally grate the carrot.
And I'm gonna bash the chicken. Grate the carrot the right way. Like this. This is how we do it in non-Wiggleland.
Oh.
How normal people do it. Yeah, there you go.
This is the first real grater I've ever used.
Is that because you're really rich now and other people do it for you? Ta-da!
Wow.
Yeah, unexpected, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so let's do the next step. Make the slaw. You do that?
Okay, yep.
Yeah, now the aioli goes on top.
Beauty,
Yeah, just
mate.
kind of pour it all in.
Just pour it.
Yes. We've got now a creamy rainbow slaw to match my ribbons.
Love it.
Okay, next step.
Time to crumb the chicken.
Turn it into schnitzel. Kids love this part because it's messy.
Now, is this what the children do?
My kids don't. They're probably
Yeah.
on iPads.
In it goes.
Other kids, yeah, one side, other side. Now, let it have a little bath in that.
What is that?
Eggs.
Egg.
Now do a flap again.
And what are we flapping in?
Flap, that is breadcrumbs. And now throw it on there.
Mate, it is a lot of fun.
Yes, queen! All right, now do this one.
Now, Celeste, if you don't mind me asking something.
Yes.
You're an Instagram star, is that right? Most people know you from the Instagram?
5.6 million people know me from Instagram.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
OK, I'm going to get the Instagram very soon. Now, it goes up here.
Have you heard of Tom Ford?
No. Who is he? Friend? It's time to fry the chicken. Oil?
Yeah, oil. Yeah,
Olive
see,
oil.
you are good.
Little bit of a dribble. Or drizzle. What do they
Or
call
a
it?
drizzle. Doesn't matter. It's your show, my friend. You can say what. Or
There we
all
go.
the oils are
Yep,
also
there we
fine.
go.
Now, again, the little them on there and the thing.
Okay, so the chicken
Yeah.
goes down there very...
Just quietly. Is there any kind of beef in the children music world?
No beef, just chicken.
Boring.
How about the wedges? Do you think you could get them this time?
One step ahead of you, my friend. I just need to be careful. Ribbons, 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 ribbons. Ho, ho, ho! These look pretty good.
They are the wedges.
They are. Okay, we
Yeah.
can plate this up soon and have something to eat.
Yeah.
Chicken one.
Chicken one.
Chicken
two.
All right, I will do the rainbow slaw.
Yep, but hang on a second.
Yeah.
I better tell you, some children love it when it's all neat and no food touches.
You are just a wealth of knowledge,
Thank
Anthony.
you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay, let's do the wedges.
Neatly.
Yeah, that's
Very
all right.
good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And that makes
Yeah.
it a lovely meal to put on a television show.
Yeah, I know, even an ad.
Lemon,
Lemons, yeah.
this is amazing. I am very proud of this.
You should be. Well done.
Thank you, Celeste.
Let's eat.
1, 2, 3. Wake up, Celeste.
Yum, HelloFresh. Looks good. Wow. Oh, yum.
My friend, what do you think?
Mate, my kids would totally eat that.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah, thank you.
This is so good. Any audience, young or old, couldn't resist it.
No, they couldn't resist it, couldn't resist it. Couldn't resist it, couldn't resist it. See you next time. Couldn't resist it, couldn't resist it.
Pass the salt.
Oh.